Negative deviation is nothing but here vapor pressure of solution is lower than the expected value by Raoult's law. We call it as negative deviation here. What do you mean by negative deviation? Vapor pressure of solution is lower than the, that's why the curves, whatever I am taking curve, is how it is below the line. Yes or no? So vapor pressure of curve. So vapor pressure of solution is lower than the expected value of Raoult's law. We call it as negative deviation here. So in such cases, what happens? Intermolecular attraction. Attractions AB means solute and solvent. Here how it will be? Stronger than the AA and BB. Solute and solvent. Okay. So what happens? Automatically vapor pressure decreases here. So that's why it is showing negative deviation. Means what? Vapor pressure of, what do you mean by PA? PA is nothing but here partial vapor pressure. So partial vapor pressure is less than P naught A XA, and PB, partial vapor pressure, is less than vapor pressure of pure component A, pure component B. Now PS you will be getting is less than P naught A XA plus P naught B XB. Now what happens? Delta H is less than 0, delta V is less than 0. Means what? Here heat is releasing. So that's why it is an exothermic reaction. Here what happens? Here heat is observing. This is an endothermic reaction. So what are the examples we are going to take here? Means examples will be for negative deviation. For negative deviation, the examples will be HNO3 water and HCl and water. So these two are the examples. Coming to ideal solutions, the examples will be ethyl alcohol and ethyl chloride. Ethyl alcohol and ethyl water examples will be, and also butyl chloride and butyl iodide. These are the examples of the ideal solutions. So this is about Raoult's law. Okay, thank you.